How to find video assistant settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video assistant settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, open the browser, and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find this one. Scroll down until you find useful features, and now all you need to do is just click on it. And as you see here, you will find that video assistant, and now all you need to do, you can manage it. Just turn it off or on and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.